So after this week, next week naman, oh hang on, teka lang, tingnan muna natin yung sitwasyon ng mesa.
Ninipisan niya yata ng husto to.
Mhm.
Just like that.
Beautiful
Perfectly done.
shot right there. And of course, a good shot deserves a good position.
Ganda. Coach Jaynard
Two
Orque
reels ba
on your
around?
screens right now.
Ay, hindi, kaya pang okay. Wow, nice shot right
Wow.
there. Siya, may request tong mga ano natin, production natin.
Bigyan mo na nga.
Well, guys, huwag kayong maniwala. May na-encounter po ako sa Marikina. Akala doktor ako.
Relentless in their mission to get their first win in this weekly series. Itong mga bataan ni Coach Jaynard Orque. And the rack for the Taguig Stallions.